Hello friends, be here with a video for Whimsy stamps, and today we're going to be making a slimline shaker card. I am so ready for summer already. So we're gonna create a beach scene, and for that we're gonna be using this stamp set, which is the Flamingo Summer, and then this paper pack is the Just Beachy paper pack slimline, and then we're gonna be using this die, which is the Terrific Slim Tickets Window die set. Let's go ahead and make a card. So first thing we're gonna do here is I am gonna go ahead and stamp my images. I think I'm gonna be using some of these as part of the shaker beads. I love doing that. So I am gonna stamp these with Memento Tuxedo Black, and I'm stamping on Hammer Mill 100 pound, and we're gonna color it together and then put the card together. I am going to speed through the coloring part, but you're gonna be able to see what I am doing. Off camera, I am going to continue coloring the rest, and I'll show you when this is completely colored. I am also going to fussy cut around everything to have this ready to go for you. Before I cut out everything, I wanted to show you that I wanted to give a little bit of texture to my flamingos. So using RB55, all I'm doing, it's kind of adding like that, just the body, just to add a little bit of texture, and then I let this dry and I go over again until it looks kind of like that. On a piece of white cardstock, I have glued down the middle part of what comes out from the ticket die. And then I have already put the acetate and the foam tape. And here I have this mix that is like an ocean mix that I'm gonna put here and here, and then we're gonna put all the images together. I am also gonna add, I think, let me bring this over here. Sorry guys, I moved my camera. I am gonna add some of the little pieces as part of the confetti mix as well. Okay, so here it is. I had to put off camera this part because I needed to be like right on top of it. So here it is, that part. Now we're gonna go ahead and put all the images here. And the this is how the card turned out. I absolutely love it. I adore a shaker card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.